everyone, this is Shelly and today's video is something that was highly requested. Like, I have been keeping aside this video for almost 2 years because I wanted to first have a collection of products that are not only affordable but at the same time are something that I would repurchase myself and recommend to you people irrespective of the price. So for me, the performance and quality of the product was the priority, then came the pricing. And in fact, with all these products you can form your very basic but very effective skincare routine, and then later you can add some serum as per your skin requirement. So at first I have this Coelcia Line Co cleansing oil. This is an oil based cleanser, and if you all know me, I am a big fan of double cleansing, and in double cleansing you need to use an oil cleanser first on your dry skin with the clean dry hand, and then you massage this oil on your dry skin for say 30-40 seconds, and then add a little water to emulsify it and then rinse it off with the plain water. So I love this oil cleanser because not only it's affordable but at the same time it effectively removes all your makeup, sunscreen, trapped sebum in your pores and keep your skin healthy. So I highly recommend this oil cleanser to everyone out there, so do check it out. And the second step of double cleansing is using a water-based cleanser, and here I have the Purito Defense Barrier pH cleanser. This is a low pH cleanser, and it is very important that you use a cleanser that has pH less than 7, preferably around 5.5 to 6.5, because using a high pH cleanser can dry out your skin, damage your skin barrier, and can lead to temporary or permanent skin irritation. So this is something you absolutely want to avoid. And this cleanser has such simple and sensitive skin formulation. It contains one of my favorite ingredients, Centella asiatica, to calm down your skin, and it also contains tea tree leaf oil, and tea tree is an amazing ingredient to calm down acne and to keep away acne from your face. And also because of the tea tree oil, it has that moderate, or I can even say prominent tea tree fragrance. And like, if you're not bothered because of that, you should definitely check it out. I highly recommend it to all the people out there, except for the people who have very oily skin. And if you're looking out for cleanser for your very oily skin, you can check out this video over here. I have shared some bunch of amazing cleanser for different skin types. And next I have the Equelle Licorice pH Balancing Cleansing Toner, and this product is something that I have featured on my YouTube channel so many times because there is a good reason behind it. Firstly, this is a multitasking product. Like, if you live in a very polluted city, or if you do wear makeup on a very regular basis, use this toner after your cleansing by dispensing some on a cotton puff, and when you swipe it across your face, you will always see that it somehow manages to pick up some or other impurities from your face. Like, I'm always shocked because I'm somebody who doesn't go out a lot and I always double cleanse, but every time, like whenever I have used this on a cotton puff, it somehow manages to pick up some impurities. And secondly, like, when you use this toner as a pat-on toner, it gives that subtle hydration and that dewy glow on your skin. Like, this is the product where I did cheat a little with the pricing. Like, all the products that are included in this video, they cost less than 1000 rupees, but this one is about 1000 rupees. And there is a good reason why I did it. Firstly, because if you layer this toner 2 or 3 times, you really don't need a serum. You can totally skip on your serum part, because this altogether also works as your skin brightening treatment product. And also, like, if you have very sensitive skin, or if you're not comfortable spending the price on full size product, you can definitely check out their deluxe sample size, which is of 30 ml quantity and price is 250 rupees. So if you like that deluxe sample size, you can comfortably spend the price on full size product. And this is the product that I want to repurchase for myself, but I'm trying not to repurchase because I have n number of products that I want to test for you people, and I finish them off because I know if I get this product, I will be only using this and everything will be rotting away. So I don't want that to happen, so I'm holding myself. And the other thing which you should definitely check out from the Korean skincare are their sheet masks. Like especially if you are a beginner and you don't like to splurge on many things, but you need that weekly treatment for your skin, do check out the sheet mask. And I particularly love the sheet mask from Etude House. I always get my hands on them during the buy one get one free offer. And like for the price, these sheet masks are amazing. They do have many variants for different skin concern, and I particularly love the lemon variant and the snail variant, and the rose variant is also good. Next I have the Innisfree Aloe Revita sleeping pack. And I know this is a sleeping pack, but I prefer to use this more like a moisturizer. And I love this particular product because it is essential oil free, it is fragrance free, and it has very sensitive skin friendly formulation. And this particular product not only hydrates my skin, not only moisturizes my skin, but it also calms it down. And this sleeping pack is something which you can use daily. It can be used day and night, and it can be used by all skin types. Like if you have oily skin, use it in a very thin layer, and if you have like a combination or dry skin, you can layer it 2-3 times and it will work amazingly. So this is why I decided to include it in this video, because for the amount you are paying, you are getting quite a lot of quantity, and most importantly, this is a fantastic product. And I don't understand why this is not very talked about and people don't mention it. In fact, there are so many products in the Korean skincare that deserves more hype and should get the chance to be used by many people, and this is definitely one of those products. And the next product is the sunscreen, and sunscreen is the product that kept me waited, and I didn't make this video because I was looking around for some really affordable but amazing sunscreen, and thanks to you people I did discover one. Because if some of you remember, you did ask me to get my hands on the Innisfree Blueberry range, because the entire range is affordable and is amazing on different skin type. So I did get my hands on the Innisfree Blueberry Rebalancing Watery Sun Cream with SPF 45 PA+++. And this sunscreen has a very runny lotion like consistency, just like the description on the product. And since this is a physical sunscreen, like it has the titanium dioxide, has the UV filter, on application, like it does apply very smoothly without tugging or sticking on your dry patches, but on first 1 minute it does leave that grayish tint, but once you blend it in completely, it goes away. And in fact, on my skin it gives that dewy hydrated finish, which I really like. And I feel that everyone out there can check it out, except for the people who have very oily skin. And also I want to mention that this does contain lavender oil and citrus peel oil. So if you are somebody who is allergic to these two oils or essential oils in general, try out the sample, or this is not for you. The next thing you should definitely check out from the Korean skincare are the pimple patches. And most of these pimple patches, they don't cost a lot. They cost somewhere around 300 or maybe less than that if you can get them on sale time. And if you have acne prone skin, these are the ultimate savior. Like when you get an acne, don't fool around with it, don't mess up with it, don't touch on it. And this is a very bad habit which I myself have, but I try to control myself by putting on a pimple patch. So whenever I see that the gunk from the pimple has surfaced up, or if I have extracted a pimple using a cotton swab, I always follow up with a pimple patch. Like this pimple patches not only extract out the gunk completely, they also calm down the inflammation and they prevent the severe acne scar formation. The Cosrx ones are good. I have used them so many times, but ever since I have discovered the Some By Me pimple patches, I love them. Like the Some By Me pimple patch does cost a bit more than the Cosrx one, but it's super effective. So for the worst pimple, I use this one, and for a tiny pimple, I use the Cosrx one. So the next product is the Innisfree No Sebum Mineral Powder. This is basically your translucent sebum controlling powder, and you can use it in so many different ways. I use this to set my makeup on, and I also use this as a dry shampoo. Like I'm to be honest, I'm not a big fan of dry shampoo, and they often leave my scalp itchy. But when at the time of need, like I didn't have the time to shampoo and I have to like step out, and that time I always put on this Innisfree No Sebum powder on my scalp. And the next product that I want you people to check out is the Innisfree eyebrow pencil. And ever since I have discovered them, my eyebrow makeup game has changed completely. I love this eyebrow pencil. I have bought them n number of times, and like if you all remember, some 3-4 years back, all the beauty store used to have that very weird eyebrow pencil. Like at least in my case, if I used those eyebrow pencil, I used to look like a cartoon character, so I never used eyebrow pencil. I hated them. But these Innisfree eyebrow pencil are amazing, and they have 3 different shades. They have it in black, light brown and dark brown. And I particularly love the shade number 5 because this particular shade matches my natural eyebrow hair color perfectly. And even if I use it in excessive quantity, like to get that fuller eyebrow, it doesn't make me look funny. I look like a human being, not a cartoon character. Like I do know there are a number of products in the market, and some eyebrow pencil, like the good one, they do cost almost 2000 rupees. But honestly, I don't feel like spending that much because I'm very happy with the Innisfree eyebrow pencil. Like the application is very easy, it matches my eyebrow hair color most importantly, and like even with the daily usage, this one eyebrow pencil, at least for me, it does last for 7-8 months. So these were all the products that I managed to find below 1000 in India, and honestly it was not easy task because in India all the good Korean skincare products, they do cost somewhere in between 1500 to 2000, and all the products that I have mentioned in this video, if you get these through the Korean website during the sale time, they actually cost around 500 and 600, like very affordable. And I will keep on looking for more amazing and affordable Korean skincare, and when I do, I will definitely make another video on it. And meantime, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell icon, and I will see you next time. Bye.